Making positive changes while on probation can feel overwhelming. With the right support, the future starts to look brighter. This is how Sedgwick County Community Corrections and Goodwill are making a difference.
When I was assigned to Community Corrections, I wasn't sure where to begin. I knew I wanted to move forward, but I needed some guidance.
We're here to help people be successful in the community. Participating in Goodwill's reentry program gives them the job skills and confidence they need to make that a reality.
They helped me find my footing and showed me how to present myself. For the first time, I felt like I had a real chance to start over. It wasn't just about finding a job, it was about building a life. I've been able to give my family the stability we needed.
We believe in second chances. With Goodwill, we're helping people create new chapters in their lives, one step at a time.